Hello, let's discuss VSEPR theory, that is valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Lewis is not able to explain the shapes of molecule. This theory provides a simple procedure to predict the shapes of covalent molecule. So the main postulate of VSEPR theory are listed here. First one is the shape of a molecule depends upon the number of valence shell electron pairs around the central atom. That means the 3D shape, or we call geometry, of a molecule is primarily determined by the total number of electron pair in the valence shell of the central atom. These may be bonded pairs or non-bonded pairs. In bonded pairs, what happens? Bonded means there is a sharing of electrons between two atoms and forming a chemical bond. A non-bonded pair means they included lone pair or not. Electrons are not shared, right? Second postulate is the pair of electrons in the valence shell repel one another since the electron clouds are negatively charged. Each pair of electron is negatively charged and like charges repel, right? So electron pairs try to stay as far apart as possible. This repulsion is the driving force that shapes molecular geometry. Third one is these pairs of electrons tend to occupy such position in space that minimize repulsion and thus maximize distance between them. That postulate says that to achieve the most stable arrangement, electron pairs position themselves so that the repulsion between them is minimized. This results in them being maximally spaced around the central atom, leading to specific and predictable molecular shapes. Fourth is the valence shell is taken as a sphere and with the electron pairs localizing on the spherical surface at maximum distance from one another. Imagine the valence shell of the central atom as a sphere, right? So the electron pairs are located on the surface at points that ensure maximum separation from each other, or similarly to know how dots on a balloon spread out, right? So next postulate is a multiple bond is treated as if it is a single electron pair and 2 or 3 electron pairs of the multiple bond are treated as single super pair. That means double or triple bonds are treated as single group of super pair. Why? Because for the purpose of spatial arrangement, the electron pairs in a multiple bond occupy the same general area, right? So they do not increase the number of regions of electron density around the central atom compared to single bond. So that is the reason double and triple bond comes under single super pair. And the last postulate is where two or more resonance structure represent a molecule. VSEPR theory model is applicable to any such structure. If a molecule can be drawn in different ways, or we call it resonance structure, what happens? Molecule is drawn in different structure. The VSEPR model can be applied to any one of those structure because what matter is just the spatial arrangements of electron pairs, not the exact bonding between in any specific resonance form, right? So these are the postulate of VSEPR theory. In short, I will explain VSEPR theory, that is a valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, provides a simple model for predicting molecular shapes based on number and types of electron pair around the central atom, with the core principle that these electron pair repel each other and arrange themselves to be as far apart as possible and determine the geometry of the molecule. Thank you.